Want your email subject lines to grab more attention? Let me show you how to easily add personalization tokens in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to open the email editor. You can do so by going to Marketing and clicking on Email right here. From in there, open the email that you want to edit and click on this Edit option in order to actually edit it. You can either choose regular or automated email, and you can also create a new email from scratch. Now for this case, just access the subject line. Here we have the subject line. So click on this right here in order to edit the inbox content. Click on this subject line right here. Now onto this case, you just need to actually click on the Personalize or Insert Token option. Click on Personalize right there, and then you can insert a contact token, primary company, and the likes. From there, just select the token that you want added. So for example, on our case, let's choose this buying role. Then input right here the fallback value, and after click on Insert, and after that, the buying role will be added as a personalization token. So it will appear like this, and here is a simplification for that as well. So after that, just save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is to it. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description.